Yes, kandi egi niyo shaaha naabirira hiihi niija kubashomesa eshaaha egi ijuko ine DM Swagger ningashi Ronald aka Amutuhire Ronald bataringaya omukugo mu economics nkakora economics so nginemu bachelor's degree nani nkushomesa geseta at least nyineho obukugu kandi eshaaha yona ninza masters fact wori wero wisha nobasa kunsponsoringa kintu nchongeremu amaani otherwise nisha kubashomesa gesete nobasa otakuba billionaire ni mabinje mwenda mbe ba billionaire muraba billionaire nibabagamba imani mwenda mbe ba billionaire so nisha kushomesa kubasa kuba billionaire otakashize nyaka makumyaga ashatu ninkoragana sangwa kintu twakivuga hamwe tuza kukikuza kandi tukisarevo ojyame kutuyitu yona kore media ningashi amakuru omu Western Uganda so iwezaho subscribinga tambuze kintu tubase kukikwatisayo tinza kushisha bwire kandi zanyenda kubashomesa bintu bingi ebikwatiri no kuba 10 ways to become a millionaire by age of 30. Yes, it may seem like an impossible goal to be a millionaire at any stage of your life. However, that's not true. Yes, the earlier you start making smart financial decisions, the more likely you are destined to being a part of the millionaires club later in life. Uko kuchitandika uko kuchisetinga kurwo mukutandika nico kikuretera wija kushanganirwa n'aba millionaires wachenga brad so iwe subscribinga nyigakadaho kugira ngo kitwate uco no gumeno uco watchinga in fact kikate nkibaje nke video yari abantu nka millions nito mukutu kabasa kurangana. However, we are in the age where simply storing money away does not garner more in the future. Ukubika sete choti chikora kamba gambiro kubika cash ukashanga ngweza aho zijyasha utikubasa gukora. You have to employ a combination of methods that only set aside money you contribute but also compounds it with interest. Today we will talk about 10 ways you can grow your net worth for a more stable future. In fact, hariho akantu kunkwenda kubagambira onda kuba umugiga iwana onda kuba umugiga kukitera esete ezo zihindure munywani wawe basa kuzibika je zihindure munywani wawe nazo zivuye munywani wawe kintu kibase gukora ki kibase kutambura. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. Wawazi bojo mureje tushobe yawe, but if you die poor, it is your mistake. Bill Gates nuko yakigambire so okuzago jyo mworo cyo we are okay echo burijo nikiba abantu mbazanga bajyaboro batokufo jyo mworo n'ikintu kibi mununga so twaza kutandika. Increase your income. The first step to become a millionaire is having the capital to fund your investments that will compound your money. To get this money legally, you will need a stable job. You should work to always make yourself marketable as a way of not only maintaining your current job but moving up the ladder of a better position or company. If you are in the technology sector, consider to stay on top of tech news and improvements. Even if you are outside of the tech industry, running a few technical skills can improve your income. Always focus on increasing your income even if you are currently comfortable. Nubu wakubolije rebeka ngwagwana ikintu reke ngo engera kukiteka mu amani. Live frugally. You may feel the individuals who are millionaires are the ones who drive flashy cars and own the latest gadgets. No, you are not taking abagiga no bakuvuga motoka zamani bakwata amasomo gamani bakwata ibintu gebei aza twekiri umwana umwe twekiri. That is not true in most cases and should not be in your case if you are looking to work your way to millionaire status.